with adjustment with regards to incentives in case we have risks for the
Incentives.
or for revisions for that. When we've saw we don't put it as say would that be equivalent to incentives for that?
It's up to the office of the president. It's up to the office of the president. Kasi tama, saan babagsak yan? Is it part of the bylaw, the incentive? If it's part, if it's covered, then why not?
Sir.
Kay Kong Rambol. Pero bakit walang cycling? Ang ganda pa naman ng track oval nyo, saka yung tatapos lang ng National Open ng road race nyo, saka yung criterium. Hindi nyo yata nakalimutan nyo lang.
Oo nga, tama ka doon.
Ganda ng track oval nyo, bagong-bago.
Mapagparaya ako. Ano tawag? Mapagparaya ako. We can give, baka naman sabihin dahil ako yung presidente ng Phil Cycling doon. Diba? Actually, mahina pa tayo sa kwelo ng 16 na sa'yo. Sa yun. Sabihin ko yung totoo. May kasamang, nung mag-meeting kami, kasama yung isang NSA sports, then 2 days ago, nag-withdraw. Hindi daw nila kaya by next year na may ganong atleta. I can frankly tell you, di ba? Weightlifting. Ano sa amin yan eh, sa respect. Kailangan for delivering the first goal. Diba? Well, kasama agad sa list ko yun. Kasama sa first meeting namin. Then after 2 days, tumawag. Siguro walang makakulang daw, walang ganun pala. Ganun din ang sagot ko sa'yo. Diba? Yun, doon naka-segue yun. Hindi naman porket tayo yung nandito, lagay ko na ganun mga cycling. Baka naman mapahiya mamaya, kapasisihin nyo.
Sir, yes.
This is not a question, but more of a suggestion, especially to the sports leaders. Since if we're looking for criteria, we already have of course, the Batang Pinoy National Games, as well as ang Kalaro. So, with their database and considering their age groups, especially elementary, you might want, and especially also age groups now, we contribute age group, the Batang Pinoy National Games. You may have, well, of course, with the involvement of the NSAs and the DepEd, the PLC, all the stakeholders, you can come up more or less with a general criteria for those who will be eligible for the 2027 SEA Plus Youth Games. So, madali na mag-constitute naman. Hindi na mahirap ng criteria. So, that's a suggestion.
Yeah, actually, yun pa rin yung sinabi kong autonomy ng NSA. So, sila pa rin ang may call doon. Para bang, bayan natin makatake off muna to. Itong first edition. So, susunod yan, mabilis na yan eh. Susunod yan, 20, ano ba susunod? 31. 31 na, ano yun? 30 na yung susunod. So, paano na yan? Mali-develop na yung mga policies. May tawid na natin itong first edition.
Okay, magandang hapon, Gaperas. People's Journal tonight, Sports Corner PH. Kay Chairman muna. Chairman, sabihin natin, cream of the crop of the Philippine sports athletes will be participating at the first ever Southeast Asian Youth Games. Does that mean mas lalo pang papalakasin pa yung youth development programs na rin ng ating sports agency with our NSAs?
Yes, Gab. Sure yan. 100% yan. Sa side ng PSC, yung pag-expand ng national youth pool, no? Yung if we can allocate allowances to the NSAs for the national youth teams and pool. Sa side naman ng palaro, yung Batang Pinoy, talagang we will make sure as well na kung ano yung pinapalaro ng dito sa CYG Plus, dapat nandun na yan sa Batang Pinoy at sa palarong pambansa. Ang ang maganda kasi rito, let me just take this opportunity to mention this again. Because ang nangyari kasi ngayon, si PSC is now a member of the board of President Bacol, palarong pambansa. For the longest time, hiwalay yan eh. Pero dahil nakasama naman tayo ng Secretary Sani Angara, ako ngayon ay kasama na sa board ng palaro. And yun nga yung mga napag-usapan namin na I think I mentioned this a few months ago. The Palaro Board has issued two very important change in rules. No? Number one, when you are a member of the National Youth Training Pool, you can now play in Palaro. Kasi kung itatago lang natin ang tatago yan, tapos bigla mo sasabak sa CYG yan, eh kakabakabahan pa yan, hindi mo siya pinapalaro eh. So that is a major adjustment. Yung National Youth Training Athlete who's part of the pool can now play in Palaro. And ganda ng pagtanggap dyan ng mga atleta. Kasi yung dami kong naririnig. Yung mention naririnig ko rin. Marami pala kaya ayaw mag-National Youth Pool. Kaya gusto maglaro sa Palaro. Eh, ba't natin pinagkakait yun, di ba? It is the national game. So very important yun. So yan yung isang ipuporma natin. Tapos yung Batang Pinoy, na nag-stretch yung age group, di ba? By in 2026, by October 2026, binaba na uli namin yan sa 8 to 15. Kasi dati sinabayan talaga yung palaro, nag-duplicate eh. So, binaba na namin yan sa 8. Yung 2027, bakit bababa pa natin yan? Para hindi talaga nag-duplicate with the palaro program. Tapos palaro, i-define na natin yan. But, I think if you would also be happy to know na bawat competition ngayon sa palaro, meron ng NSA representative, meron ng game commissioner. So kung mayroong 50 games yung palaro o mayroong ilang sports ang palaro, lahat ng NSAs mayroong high-ranking official na pinopondohan ng PSC to support the efforts of DepEd para hindi lang naiiwan yung technical officiating sa DepEd officials. So hinati na namin yan. Anything that is administrative and yung back end is DepEd. Anything that's technical in nature for the possible hosting of yung talagang standards nung International Federation, nandiyan na si NSA and pinupondohan na rin namin.
Follow-up lang po. Kung Bumble, with yung Arnis is part of the traditional sports, that actually resurgence na rin to the youth. Kasi nakita naman natin sa mga national, local tournaments, ang daming nagtututo na Arnis at ipapakilala natin sa iba't ibang mga kapwa Southeast Asian neighbors itong pambansang sport na rin with the inclusion of Arnis as part of the C+ Youth Games. Masasabi ba natin mas marami na ang mga kapwa nating Southeast Asia sa ipapakilala itong sport na pinagmamalaki natin. Salamat po.
Actually, Arnis, our national game, di ba? So, out of respect, ay natin sila nilagay sa traditional sports. But yung traditional sports, very generic yun. Kung umayaw yung Arnis, meron tayong pa rin. Kaya na traditional. Pwede mo naman traditional sport kahit yung sport na traditional play. Kasi bakit pwede? Why not? Yun ang ano doon, yun ang gist. Siyempre, ibang bansa, pagdating sa kanila, silang host, out of respect, yan din yun. Alagay ko national game din yung ilalagay nila.
Maraming salamat. We're on to our last two questions. Yes, sir.
Question, since there are events, I think I saw the listed things, may mga ibang events na nawala